What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sieben, and in today's video we are going to be talking the 5 ways on how to succeed on the Amazon platform. Today I will give you a bunch of different reasons, tips and tricks on how you can start an Amazon business and then be successful in doing so. So what are the things you need to be thinking about and doing to ensure your overall success when selling on the platform? Let's get into it. All right guys, so as I mentioned, today we're going to be talking about the different things that you need to be thinking about in order to be successful on Amazon's platform. So the number one thing is going to be consistency. So consistency means showing up day after day and doing the things that need to be done in order to start, grow, and scale the business. So consistency can be going out and finding hundreds of leads for suppliers, reaching out to those hundreds of leads to try to open accounts, then from there finding the products, then from finding the products to negotiating and making the orders. You are going to find failure no matter what Amazon model you are faced with and are operating in. You are going to be faced with challenges on a daily basis that will deter you from success and deter you from wanting to continue. But consistency will help you push through that and will really help make sure that you are able to push past all of these failures until you find your successes, until you find what works, and then be consistent on those things and those topics and those actions to make sure that you consistently do the things that work to help and grow and scale your business. The second most important thing about running an Amazon business is accountability. So you need to be accountable not only to yourself, to Amazon as a company, to your customers that are purchasing from your store, to your employees, but you also need to make sure to be accountable for the problems that come up with those things. So if there are any, customer complaints, or there are any A to Z claims or anything negative that happens, you need to be willing to take accountability, to take responsibility, and be able to deal with these issues. Because if you let these issues slide, they can stack up and they can really work against you and make those failures that we talked about a lot harder to turn into successes, and they might feel like you're moving, one step forward and a couple steps back if you're not accountable and you don't address things as they come up. The third thing to think about when selling on Amazon is compliance. So Amazon has a ton of policies and procedures in place. Most of those are put into place for the customers to make sure that sellers are acting appropriately, selling legitimate products, meeting the promises of things like fulfillment and quality and price that customers come to expect from the platform. These policies are put into place and they need to be complied with. So you need to make sure that you know the platform, you know the policies and procedures, and you're abiding by those rules, and you are staying compliant and ensuring that you are doing everything in your power to play within the rules of Amazon, within the terms of service, to make sure that you're able to continue selling on the platform. The fourth thing that helps Amazon sellers be successful is profitability. So this sounds like an obvious one. Your business needs to be profitable to stay in business, to keep running, to keep growing. But profitability can take many different forms. And I encourage you and I implore you to take a look at your own business if you have one, or start thinking about this if you're thinking of starting the business, and really just take account and take inventory of all of the liabilities that you have, all of the things that you're paying for, all of the software subscriptions, employees, everything like that. Take a look at where you are spending your money and try to reduce those things if possible. Not only look at reducing your expenses, but look at certain things that can increase either your assets or your profitability and your revenue. So do you have really good relationship with a supplier, but you're getting, a measly 5% discount off their wholesale price? If you've been doing business for a while, or there's products that you could be spending more money with them on, there's a potential that you could get a 10 or 15 or even more % discount that will actually add to your bottom line and make you more profitable. And there are many other examples of things like this in terms of being able to raise prices when appropriate, being able to, find other suppliers who offer better prices in the first place and will give you better terms. We'll be able to utilize your cash flow. I could go into a bunch of different things, but make sure you are watching the profitability of your business, and always being able to maximize and optimize this will help you in the long term more than most other things. The fifth thing that I want to talk about that help people be successful on the platform is having a growth mindset. So having a growth mindset means that you are always looking for the next milestone. You're always setting the next goal. You're always looking at where you want to be in X amount of time that has growth attached to it, and you are making sure that you're actively every single day working towards these goals, working towards these milestones, and always making sure that in your mind you're thinking about growing, expanding, and what exactly on a practical level, on a micro level, what needs to happen to ensure that you reach that growth. So having just that mindset is the first step, and then imploring those tactics that you come up with will really help you be successful. All right, guys, so this has been the 5 ways to succeed on Amazon. Please let me know down in the comment section what things you're doing in your business to help you succeed on a daily basis. As well, do not forget to give us a big thumbs up. That helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps us get this out to the most amount of people possible. And then please feel free to subscribe, hit the little notification bell. That will let you know every single time we put out new content, and you can always stay up to date with our channel. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you have a good day and take care.